So I ate a salad this weekend that had pickled onions on it, and it made me realize I needed to make pickled onions because I don't have any in my fridge, and they're so good on literally everything, so let's make some. Once it gets small and hard to handle, just don't risk your fingers. You could use pretty much any vinegar. I'm gonna use apple cider today. Bragg, please sponsor me. And we're gonna do, that is like a half a cup. It's a little bit over, but it's fine. 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm adding a little bit extra because I like my pickled onions kind of sweet. Like 1.5 teaspoons. That was a little more than a half because it wasn't a full teaspoon. And now, turn on the heat until your sugar and salt dissolves. You try not to spill it everywhere. All right, popped a lid on it, and now we're just gonna let it come to room temp and then throw it in the fridge. These are so good, and you're gonna put them on everything that they probably won't even last you 2 weeks. Yay! I just finished Pilates and got a smoothie. I get the athlete from Sun Life if you're curious. It's so good. I went out last night and I was definitely hungover this morning. My sweet and incredibly talented friend Gianna, who is a florist, just dropped these off for me. She gave me a little present, and let's see what it is. She sourced these vintage salt and pepper shakers for me. I am not okay. Look at how cute those are. I don't even know if she's watching, but thank you so much, Gianna. Literally, I love you so much. This is her brand. She does florals and vintage. Nothing to brighten up your day like a fucking beautiful flower arrangement. Like, are you kidding? Unreal. Okay, wait. I moved it into my room. I just can't. It's too much. It's so gorgeous. I'm so excited about this package that just came from Plus. They are a zero waste body wash company. It's genius. I've used their travel ones before, which come in like a little pouch. You rip the pouch and then there's a little like square of body wash and you use it, and then the packaging you can just drop and it like dissolves. So cool. They made a dispenser that you stick to your shower wall that has the body wash in it. And they sent me a refill for that. And then these are the sheets. Dissolvable pouches. They're so genius for traveling because they literally weigh nothing, and also just amazing for everyday life. And one of these sheets like is enough soap for your whole body. It really lathers. I got new nails and they're martini themed. Do you die? Look at the thumb. It's a little napkin with a martini glass. I'm obsessed. I went book shopping and I got a couple new cookbooks. This one is That Sounds So Good. It's Carla Lolly Music's second cookbook. I have her other one too. This is actually autographed, which is so fun. And then I got the Bavel cookbook, which is a restaurant downtown, and they made a cookbook. It's very intense. Would not recommend for beginners, but there's a lot of really beautiful recipes in it. This one being one of my favorites. It's so good. The mushrooms I made tonight were kind of inspired by that. Not that exact recipe, but like still gorgeous. And then I got Wine Simple, which is a wine book because I'm trying to learn more about wines. My sister's having a baby next month, so I bought these for my nephew. A first conversation about consent. So important. And then I also bought this one, Pink Blue and You, questions for kids about gender stereotypes and gender identity. Again, incredible book. If you know a baby, you should buy them, these books. Important topics that children should learn about. Picked up a coffee and now we're going to Venice to go to the Frankie's Bikinis showroom. I just came home to a Jerf Avenue package. I paid for this, by the way. I wish she sent it to you, Matilda. Anyone from Jerf Avenue, if you're watching, hit me up. Got this tank. And then I got the trousers. I ordered the pants in a large because I wanted to make sure that I had ample room for the booty, and I think if I did a medium it would be maybe a little too tight or like tighter than I want it to be, because I did want them to fit like mid-waist. I didn't want them to be like fitted like this. Like I could tailor them to be like that, which also would be cute, but I'm kind of digging more of like a mid-waist these days. And then the tank is super nice, very thick. This is a medium. I definitely could have worn a small. It's really stretchy, so I could have done a small for sure. It is like quite long. I have it like rolled and scrunched. It's like a pretty full length tank top, which is nice sometimes if you're wearing something super low rise. So I'm happy with it. It's very nice material and I like this cut a lot. 10 out of 10. This is what I'm wearing today though. Love this outfit. I just got these pants from a small business called Adrian Cashmere. They're so cute, and I bought a size large so that they would be like nice and loose and baggy. Wearing my Union Jordans, a Reformation tank that's open in the back, and my glasses, which are from Cherry, Los Angeles. That's the fit.